Hey guys, it's Natalie from Slumberosity. So I wanted to do a quick video of the I don't even know if you can see that. The Lectrofan Micro. I had a client ask which one of the settings that I prefer. And so instead of like just doing a video for her, I figured I would do a video for everyone. So, as most of you know, I love Lectrofan. I have the Micro, obviously. I'm a huge fan of the original, which is just the octagon-shaped box. And I also have the Kinder. And if they come out with something else, I'll probably have that one too. But let me, I have this one. Let me tell you a little bit about why I have this one, and then I'll run through the sounds for you guys so that you can hear them, and then I'll point out the one that I prefer the most to use. So I originally got the octagon, or hex, whatever. It's a box, sort of. So I originally got that one, and I love it. But then they came out with this one, and obviously I had to have it. But the reason I chose this one is because it's portable, it's rechargeable, and really those were the only two reasons I got it. I wanted to be able to have something with me just in case a family didn't have a sound machine when I came into the home, so we had something to use. So, you know, this was kind of a no-brainer for me. You know, and as long as it's charged, it works beautifully. So I'm gonna turn it on. I'm not quite sure what the setting is on. Can't remember if I turned it down last time I used it or if it's still pretty loud. So I will apologize if it's loud, but I will turn it down so that you guys can hear the sounds of, you know, this one. This one only has 10 sounds. The original has 20, and then the Kinder itself has, you could create as many as you want, but I think it comes, you could create about 75, but this one only has 10. So I'm gonna turn it on and let you hear it. So it's got, and this light is so bright so you can't really see, so I'm not gonna show you these things, but there's 3 buttons on here. One is obviously an on and off switch, and then volume or replay. This one also allows you to play music through your phone. It allows you to play as a speaker, but I don't generally use it that way. So anyway, so it has the on and off button, the volume or forward, or the volume down, or replay. So I'm just going to turn it on. It swivels too, like this, which is awesome. But I'm going to turn it on so you guys can hear it. I'm going to turn it down. So I don't know if you guys can hear that. I hope you can. But I'm going to run through. This sounds like one of the white noise sounds. So I'm just going to cycle through these so that you can hear them. And then when I get to, like I said, when I get to the sound that I prefer, or the sounds that I prefer, I'll let you know that. Actually, let me cycle through this, see where I am. All right, so this is one of the fan sounds. So there's 5 fan sounds and 4 white noise. So I'm gonna cycle through those. And that one's actually ocean, so there's only one ocean sound on here. And then we've gotten to white noise. So I'm going to turn it up just a smidge. Okay, so this is the second white noise sound. I generally prefer this sound when baby is calm and is trying to go to sleep. And you know, there's nothing else going on. This works beautifully. Sorry, I meant to turn that down instead of up. So this white noise is if baby is somewhat agitated, but you know, fairly easy to calm. This would be the sound that you want to go for. And then the next one is going to be if baby is really upset and you're trying to break them out of kind of trying to change the scenery, so to speak, for them. This would be the sound. So, like I mentioned, it's the second and third white noise sounds are the ones that I actually prefer to use. The first one is the one that I just use generally if baby is trying to go to sleep and trying to, you know, relax and whatnot. It usually works really, really well. The second one is if they're slightly agitated. They're not quite having such an easy time about going to sleep. I will use that one. And then it's very rare, but sometimes I need to use the third, or which would be the fourth white noise sound. It just helps them, you know, kind of snap them back into, oh, what's going on? It very much reminds them of the womb. And so I will use that sometimes as well. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post wherever you happen to see this video. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.